Every single day, your kidneys act as the ultimate security guards for your blood. They are two bean-shaped powerhouses that never take a day off, quietly filtering nearly 50 gallons of fluid every 24 hours. They are responsible for deciding what stays in your body and what gets flushed away as waste. Most of the time, they work in total silence, giving you no indication that they are struggling until the burden becomes too much to bear. Have you ever noticed that your morning coffee doesn't give you the same energy it used to? Or perhaps you've seen a slight puffiness in your eyelids when you look in the mirror, or a heavy sensation in your legs by the time evening rolls around. These aren't just signs of getting older. They are the subtle, coded language of your kidneys telling you that their filtration units, known as nephrons, are becoming clogged with the gunk of modern life, excess sodium, processed sugars, and environmental pollutants. When these filters slow down, creatinine levels begin to creep up, and the shadow of dialysis begins to loom over your future independence. Currently, over 37 million adults are walking around with kidney damage, and the most frightening part is that many of them feel perfectly fine, for now. But here is the hopeful truth that the medical establishment is finally beginning to embrace. Research from world-renowned institutions like Johns Hopkins and the National Kidney Foundation suggests that the path to kidney longevity isn't just paved with expensive prescriptions, it starts in your spice cabinet. What you are about to hear is grounded in the rigors of peer-reviewed science. We are going to look at how specific bioactive compounds found in common kitchen spices can actually reduce inflammation in the renal arteries, shield kidney cells from oxidative death, and improve the markers of renal health. But even the most powerful spices in the world won't work if you are making one critical mistake in your daily routine. I'm going to reveal that overlooked habit at the end of this video, and it is the on-off switch for everything we're about to discuss. If you want to stay in the driver's seat of your health and keep your kidneys thriving, pay close attention to these 6 miracle spices. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is far more than a culinary staple. In the world of nephrology, it is a master vasodilator. To understand why garlic is vital for your kidneys, you have to think of your renal system as a series of high-pressure hoses. Your kidneys can only filter blood effectively if the pressure is perfectly regulated. When your blood vessels become stiff or inflamed, that blood slams into the delicate kidney filters like a power washer hitting a silk screen. This causes scarring of the nephrons. Garlic contains a sulfur-rich compound called allicin. When allicin enters your system, it triggers the production of nitric oxide in the lining of your blood vessels. This causes the vessels to relax and widen, effectively lowering the water pressure in your internal plumbing. This allows the blood to flow gently through the kidneys, ensuring that waste is removed without damaging the equipment. However, 90% of people use garlic incorrectly. If you throw a clove of garlic directly into a hot pan, you kill the enzymes responsible for creating allicin. The secret wait then plate trick is essential. You must crush or mince the garlic and let it sit on the cutting board for 10 minutes before it touches heat. This activation period allows the medicinal compounds to fully form. For a true kidney flush, try consuming 1 crushed clove mixed with a teaspoon of raw honey on an empty stomach. This combination acts as a natural antioxidant shield, protecting your filters from the very first hour of the day. 5. Cumin. Cumin is often overlooked, but it is a powerhouse for metabolic detoxification. Your kidneys are responsible for clearing out urea and creatinine, the waste products of protein metabolism. When your digestion is sluggish, these waste products linger in your blood longer, forcing the kidneys to work overtime. Cumin acts as a pre-filter by stimulating the liver and the digestive tract to process these toxins before they ever reach the renal system. The active ingredients in cumin, thymol and cuminaldehyde, have been shown in studies indexed by the National Institutes of Health to reduce oxidative damage within the renal tubules. These are the tiny pipes where your body reabsorbs the water it needs. When these pipes are inflamed, you experience fluid retention and swelling. Cumin helps soothe this inflammation, acting like a gentle drain cleaner for your system. The mistake most people make is using old, dusty, pre-ground cumin that has lost its volatile oils. To truly support your kidneys, use whole cumin seeds. Steep half a teaspoon of these seeds in hot water for 8 minutes to create a potent detox tea. Drinking this in the early afternoon when your body's filtration rate naturally begins to dip can provide the gentle nudge your kidneys need to stay on track. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is perhaps the most critical spice for anyone worried about the long-term health of their kidneys. Why? Because the #1 cause of kidney failure globally is high blood sugar. Imagine sugar molecules as tiny shards of glass circulating in your blood. These shards scratch and tear at the microscopic filters in your kidneys, leading to a condition called diabetic nephropathy. Cinnamon contains unique polyphenols that improve insulin sensitivity, meaning it helps clear those glass shards out of your blood faster. By stabilizing your blood sugar, cinnamon prevents the sugar scarring that leads to declining eGFR levels. Research from the Journal of Renal Nutrition has shown that cinnamon can significantly reduce the markers of oxidative stress in the kidneys of those struggling with metabolic issues. But be careful, not all cinnamon is equally created. Most store-bought cinnamon is cassia cinnamon, which contains coumarin, a substance that can be hard on the liver in large amounts. To protect your kidneys, always look for Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon. The secret trick is to add a half teaspoon to your morning coffee or oatmeal. This creates a sugar buffer for the rest of the day, ensuring that your kidneys aren't being shredded by glucose spikes. Ginger. Ginger is a biological fire extinguisher. Chronic inflammation is the slow leak that eventually sinks the ship of kidney health. When your kidneys are inflamed, they become swollen and less efficient at moving fluid, which is why you might notice your socks leaving deep indentations in your ankles. Ginger is packed with gingerols and shogaols, bioactive compounds that have been compared to low-dose anti-inflammatory medications, but without the harsh side effects that can actually damage the kidneys. These compounds inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, effectively cooling down the renal tissue. Studies published in BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies have highlighted ginger's ability to combat the oxidative stress that occurs when the kidneys are under a heavy toxic load. The best way to utilize ginger is fresh. Dry ginger is good for flavor, but fresh ginger is the medicinal gold standard. Grate a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger into warm water with a squeeze of lemon. The lemon provides citrate, which prevents kidney stones, while the ginger reduces the swelling in the filtration units. This morning tonic is one of the most effective ways to jumpstart your renal circulation. Coriander seeds are what I call a smart diuretic. Most pharmaceutical diuretics are dumb. They flush out water, but they also flush out vital minerals like potassium and magnesium, which can lead to heart palpitations and cramps. Coriander seeds, however, help the kidneys remove excess sodium and water while maintaining the delicate balance of electrolytes. Inside each kidney, you have 1,000,000 tiny nephrons. Coriander contains linalool, a compound that helps these nephrons relax, allowing for better fluid exchange. This is especially helpful for people who struggle with high blood pressure or those who feel heavy after a salty meal. A study in interdisciplinary toxicology found that coriander seed extract could actually help lower the levels of lead and mercury in the blood, metals that are notoriously toxic to the kidneys. To use this effectively, crush a teaspoon of coriander seeds and steep them overnight in a glass of room temperature water. Drinking this moon water in the morning provides a gentle, mineral-safe flush that keeps your nephrons clear of heavy metal buildup. Turmeric. If there is a king of kidney spices, it is turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, is perhaps the most researched anti-inflammatory substance on the planet. For the kidneys, curcumin acts as a repairman, helping to heal the damage caused by years of high blood pressure and poor diet. Peer-reviewed research in BMC nephrology shows that curcumin can actually improve the markers of kidney damage, even in people with chronic conditions. It works by blocking the pathways that lead to renal fibrosis, which is essentially the rusting or hardening of the kidney tissue. By keeping the tissue supple and flexible, turmeric ensures that the filtration process remains smooth. However, turmeric has a major weakness. It is very difficult for the body to absorb on its own. If you just eat turmeric powder, it mostly passes right through you. To unlock the golden repairman, you must follow the 3-step rule. Take it with a healthy fat, like olive oil. Heat it slightly, and most importantly, pair it with a pinch of black pepper. The piperine and black pepper increases curcumin absorption by a staggering 2,000%. Adding a golden paste to your evening meals is like sending a specialized repair crew to your kidneys while you sleep. Now we come to the one daily habit that determines whether these spices actually work: circadian hydration. Most people drink water whenever they feel thirsty, or they chug a giant bottle of water at the end of the day to make up for lost time. This is a disaster for your kidneys. When you flood your system with 32 ounces of water at once, your kidneys perceive it as a volume emergency and simply flush it out as fast as possible, taking many of your spices' nutrients with it. The secret habit is to drink 8 ounces of water every hour on the hour for the first 8 hours of your day, and then taper off. This slow drip hydration ensures that your blood volume remains constant, allowing the medicinal compounds from your garlic, turmeric, and ginger to actually dwell in the kidney tissue long enough to do their work. Your kidneys don't definitionally have to decline as you age. They are remarkably resilient organs that want to heal. By reducing the salt, managing the sugar, and incorporating these 6 miracle spices with the right hydration rhythm, you are giving your silent heroes exactly what they need to stay in the fight. Take charge today. Listen to your body's signals and watch your vitality return. Thank you for watching, and here is to your long-term kidney health. Don't forget to like, comment with the word health, and subscribe for more science-backed ways to live your best life.